hashtag Mom Life viewers. How are you guys doing today? Now, you might notice that I am in front of a pile of laundry, because that's what we do as moms, right? So I was thinking we're going to do a segment now and then called laundry, I don't know, what should be called? Like laundry chat, fold laundry with me. Maybe I'll have my little coffee cup with me. We'll think of something, okay? Message in the comments below what you think this segment should be called. All right, so today I thought we would discuss something that drives me nuts in the laundry, which it probably does every mom. I mean, there's tons of videos on this. This is a known thing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, like this is all my boys. All my boys do this. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know how they master this skill. But like it's like ingrained in them, like before they were born. It's like they knew how to do this. And so anyway, we know they do this. Okay, that is a known fact. Every child since they were born, they were taught and learned how to do this with their pants and their underwear. Okay, but today I thought we would learn why. Why do they do this? You know, not many people have brought this problem or to the attention of their children. So I have brought my son, Rylan. Rylan is my 10-year-old, and so he's been doing this the longest, so I thought he would be the best expert at answering why does this happen. All right, Rylan. So
yes,
this is a thing that a lot of parents deal with on the daily.
Okay.
They have to then remove the underwear. See how difficult this is? We have to remove the underwear off every piece of pants. And can you explain how you do this and why do you do this?
Because it's more easier and efficient.
It's easier and efficient. Okay.
Yeah.
The
boys.
How is it easier? Like you just... I know, it's kind of like a magic trick, right?
Yeah.
Like you just want to see how fast you can take off your clothes and boom, boom, boom. And then it's like you've taken two things off at once, right?
Yeah.
Like that's the idea, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm buying that one.
What?
Anyway, do you have any other comments of why this happens? Can you explain to the audience, to the world out there, why children do this?
Oh boy. Oh boy. You know about that. Oh, I don't know.
He doesn't talk much, does he?
IDK. I don't know. That stands for.
What is that? IDK. That's a new one.
Yeah.
What is it? I don't
No.
I don't know.
I don't know. Hashtag Mom Life.
Aw. Okay, well, there you go. That's the best I could do with the expert that I brought on my show today.
Sorry.
Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Sorry, we're moving the camera. We love you all, and hope you enjoyed this funny episode. We'll talk more about
and don't
laundry.
forget to subscribe and like to hashtag Mom Life.
That's all kids know these days. Subscribe and like. You don't have to feel the pressure.
And
don't feel that
please
pressure.
hit 20 million subscribers. That'll be awesome. I'll be right back.
Anyway. Kids are great. You guys have a rockin' day, and we will see you tomorrow. So excited. Bye. See you on the next one.